Now we need to show x is equal to bc over b minus c. Since we know that these triangles are similar, we can use Euclid theorem, which says if two triangles are similar, their corresponding sides are proportional. So that's what we're going to use and solve this. So to A, the corresponding side is y. To B, corresponding side is x. To this A, corresponding side is y again. To this little c, corresponding side is x minus c. So by Euclid theorem, I come up with a over y is equal to b over x. That's the big triangles. The small one is a over y is c, little teeny tiny one, over x, the whole x, minus c, which we're only looking for this side. So that's what we have. Okay, so we are saying this a over y, there's a over y. We are saying this and this is same. So b over x is equal to c over x minus c. When you see proportional, what do? We cross multiply. So we have b times x minus c is equal to cx. And we're going to simplify this by getting rid of this parenthesis. So bx minus bc is equal to cx. Now we want to combine x terms together. So I transpose cx to left side. If this is not comfortable for you guys, you can add bc here, and then take cx here, take cx away. Then we can get rid of this, get rid of that. What's left? bx minus cx is equal to bc. Now we're going to factor x out. Then x, parenthesis, b minus c is equal to bc. We're interested in solving for x. So when we divide this expression by b minus c, then we have to do the same thing here, b minus c. So finally, we come up with x is equal to bc over b minus c.